Caught this baby bird in my shed. And the parents, there's more than parents. There's like 5 or 6 of them up in there. Oh, here comes some blackbirds are coming now. I'm gonna let it go. Oh my goodness. Maybe I won't let it go. Now we got the blackbirds are involved. Give another little chirp. Can you say hi? I'm gonna call him Chaos because look at they're wanting to dive bomb me. But they know I'll catch them too. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna let it go. Look at the water. It won't stop raining every Saturday night. I'll let my kids find it. I love these camera phones.